AI can write for 1,000 words now, but have you actually read them? They are repetitive, they are surface level, and worst of all, they are SEO vanilla. When you let the AI manage its own length, it prioritizes finishing the task, not ranking the content. Today, I'm going to show you why you must take back control. We are going to use manual modular injection to ensure that all of the sections are sharp, keyword rich, and insightful as possible. Okay, let's see. First, I'm going to ask Gemini to write a 4,000 word article for me without any detailed instruction. Let's see what happens here. Well, as you can see, it has written a 4,000 word in just one prompt. Sometimes it divides it to 2,000 or more divisions, but here we can see Gemini has used Canvas to write a full article in 4,000 words. But if you read it deeply, you can find the problems. It somehow loses the focus. It somehow forgets the target audience. You see, we didn't tell it what is our target audience, and sometimes the flow of the information, the connection between the paragraphs, the sections, they don't look well. It's because our prompt was just a one-line prompt, and it didn't give full details. And when AI wants to write a whole 4,000 plus word article in once, it somehow loses the connection between the sections. And if you read it clearly, you can see it's full of bullet points. It's full of sections that don't need to be put in bullet points. And if you read it clearly, you will find the problems that it's only readable content, but it won't help you rank in this keyword. But today we are going to use another. But today we are going to use another process which I call modular process of writing article. It consists of three prompts. The first one is saying that you have to act as a senior SEO strategist and content architect. And what are we going to tell it? We give the AI the topic, the target audience, the goal, and here's the important point. The first task of AI is not writing the article. You see, at the end of this prompt, I said that you should not write the article. The output format is only H2 titles, H3 subheaders, and this part is very important. For each section, you have to tell me what is the user intent that this paragraph is going to target. Is it informational, transactional, or any other? And the primary keywords, I want the Gemini to list the primary keywords and LSI keywords for each section. After that, we are going to have an output for our article. It kind of works as a brief for our next prompt. Let's check it in Gemini. As you can see, it has created the strategy proposed. It proposed an H1 estimated word count more than 4,500 words. And these are the H2s: introduction, and you can see the user intent is informational, primary keywords, and LSI, AI in project management, etc. The second H2 is the core capabilities. There's the title. There are H3 subheadings. It works kind of a brief for our next prompt. It's the whole outline we need for our pillar page. As we all know, pillar pages are very important in SEO. They somehow create a foundation for our clusters that I talked about in another video about them. And they have to be as clear as possible and answering the broad questions of users. As we can see, there are 7 sections here. It's suggesting to write something for the steps, but we don't look at it. We are going to use our own prompt for the second phase. What is our second prompt? Here, AI is going to be a writer, act as a senior content writer and subject matter expert. We are giving the reference. And what is the reference? The detailed outline you just generated in the previous turn of this conversation. So Gemini will look at the last chat and use that outline as the brief of writing the article. And what is the instruction? It should start immediately and check the style. Well, our tone, I just assume that our tone is semi-formal, scientific, and friendly. length is 600 words per section. We are going to write section by section. This is the process. I call it modular writing of especially long articles. Constraints, some of the words that look robotic in the writing, do not use unleash, unlock, delve, in conclusion. These are the words that AI uses a lot when writing articles. And there's a stop rule. After writing the section, stop, do not proceed. We don't want it to write all of the sections. We want it to write section by section. And your response with section complete, type continue for the next section. And what is the next step? When I type continue, you will look at the next H2 in the outline, briefly review the end of the previous section you wrote to ensure flow, and then write the next section. So we are going to use this prompt section by section to write the whole article, not in one prompt, in different prompts. As you can see, it is writing the first section of our article, and it's asking section complete, type continue for the next section. We are going to write continue for all of the remaining sections, and we are going to write the article. I think it's going to take 7 steps. Well, as you can see, Gemini writes, this concludes the drafting of the pillar page. Would you like me to identify specific internal linking opportunities? No, we don't need to do it now. There's the final step here. We have to refine, we have to somehow modify the article and edit it as a senior editor to make sure that the flow of the article is perfect. So the last prompt we are going to use is that the reference is review the entire conversation history above. We have just written a pillar page section by section. And task is assemble and refine the final article. It has to aggregate all of the sections we wrote about above into one continuous document and refine transitions. This part is very important. As you assemble them, read the seams between sections. If a transition is abrupt, rewrite the connecting sentences to be smooth. For example, use bucket bridges like but there's a catch and here is why that matters and all of that. And formatting should be H1, H2, H3s, and bold tags are consistent. Output should be present a complete polished article in your response. But there's a problem here. Gemini or other AI tools might have problem writing the whole article in one response. I'm telling you that if the total article is too long to fit in a single response, for example, over 2,000 or 3,000 words, please output part 1, for example, first 50% now and then, and end with type part 2 to finish. So we are going to paste the final prompt to Gemini and see the results. As you can see, it's written here is part 1 of the refined assembled pillar page. I have a smoother transition between the major section to ensure a cohesive narrative flow. It's writing the whole sections next to each other. And as you can see, the part 1 is getting complete, but it says type part 2 to finish the article, covering implementation risks and etc. I will export this one, the first part, to Docs to have it. And I will type part 2. And here's the part 2 of the pillar page. It completes our guide. I will export this one to Docs as well and copy it and stick it to the first part. I can say our pillar page is finished with these 3 prompts, but there's a problem still here. And you as a content manager or content writer should be very careful about this. After writing with AI, after using AI, even in this modular process, you have to read the whole article and check it for humanized content. You have to know what words to change, how to change the bullet points, the flow of the article, and etc. to make sure it's as humanized as possible. I have a video about how to write more humanized using AI. You can watch them on my channel. And if you want to know more about how to use AI in your content management, in your marketing, and etc., I suggest you watching the playlist of AI for marketing. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon.